Logic gates are the foundation of digital electronics and computers. They control how signals flow and how decisions are made inside every digital device, from simple circuits to complex processors. AND gate is a logic gate that gives an output of 1 only when both of its input are 1. If even one input is 0, the output will always be 0. It works like a condition that says you will only get a yes result when input A is on, and input B is also on. If any of them is off, the result stays off. This is similar to a rule in real life where you can only do something if two requirements are both completed, not just one. Put the IC 7408 on the breadboard. Connect the pin 14 via jumper wire to GND or positive. After that, connect the resistor on pin 3. Align the longer leg of LED on the other leg of the resistor. Then connect the shorter leg of LED using jumper wire to the negative ground or VCC. Connect the pin 7 of the IC to negative ground. Insert the jumper wire to pin 1 and 2 or input A and B. Lastly, connect the 9-volt battery. The red wire is in the positive and the black is negative side.
If input A is 0 and input B is 1, then output is 0 and the LED is off. If input A is 0 and input B is 0, then output is 0 and the LED is still turned off. If input A is 1 and input B is 0, the output is 0 and LED is still turned off. If input A is 1 and input B is 1, the output is 1, the LED turned on.
OR gate is a logic gate that gives a 1 as long as at least one of its input is 1. It only gives a 0 when both of its input are 0. Put IC 7432 on the breadboard. Make sure it is inserted correctly. Connect the pin 14 via jumper wire to the GND or negative ground. After that, connect the pin 7 to the positive ground. Next, connect the resistor on pin 3. Align the longer leg of LED on the other leg of the resistor. Then, connect the shorter leg of LED using jumper wire to the positive ground. Insert jumper wire to pin 1 and 2 for input A and B. Lastly, connect the 9V battery. The red wire is in the negative and the black wire is in the positive.
If input A is 1 and input B is 1, then output is 0, and the LED is off. If input A is 1 and input B is 0, then output is 1 and LED is turned on. If input A is 0 and input B is 1, then output is 1 and LED is still turned on. If input A is 0 and input B is 0, then output is 1 and LED is still turned on.
NOT gate is a logic gate that does the opposite of what you give it. If the input is 1, the NOT gate changes it to 0, and if the input is 0, it changes it to 1. Put the IC 7404 on the breadboard. Make sure it is inserted correctly. Connect the pin 14 via jumper wire to the GND or the positive ground. After that, connect the pin 1 to the negative ground. Next, connect the resistor on pin 3. Connect the jumper wire on pin 4 for output. Align the longer leg of the LED on the other leg of the resistor and connect the short leg on the ground. Lastly, connect the 9V battery. The red wire is in the negative and the black wire is in the positive.
If input A is 1, then output is 0 and the LED is off. If input A is 0, then output is 1 and the LED is turned on.